BW Manufacturing Incorporated presents the SCB-1600. At last, a heavy-duty surface preparation machine designed by a contractor and built with the contractor in mind. The SCB-1600 from BW Manufacturing. It's a diesel-powered ride-on unit with either an interchangeable shotblasting head or a scarifying head to remove old coatings from concrete and to prepare the concrete surface for new coatings. Powered by an 86 horsepower diesel engine equipped with an optional catalytic converter and a hydrostat drive, the SCB-1600 can shot blast with a 16-inch wide blast pattern up to 4,000 square feet per hour, or the SCB-1600 can scarify between 500 and 1,500 square feet per hour. Its powerful onboard dust collector has a vacuum of 2,600 cubic feet per minute, 8 pneumatic pulsating filters, and a collection bin that holds 19.7 cubic feet of debris and dust. Moreover, this workhorse SCB-1600 is operator-friendly. Full control of the SCB-1600 rests in the operator's hands, from the power steering, the joystick for forward and reverse, as well as raising and lowering the workhead, and with the push of a button for shot control. The SCB-1600 is the only machine that allows the seated operator to see both in front and behind the workhead. Designed by a contractor, the SCB-1600 is versatile and economical in meeting a variety of surface preparation requirements. When brush blasting the sealer from this warehouse floor, the SCB-1600 averaged over 4,000 square feet per hour, with a steel shot consumption of only 50 pounds and diesel fuel consumption of only 3 gallons. Its blast head rides on hardened steel rollers and is positioned lower to the floor than conventional blast heads. This independently floating head also has floating liners and brush seals, and stays in contact with the surface at all times. The blast drum with its 6 blades creates an impact force of 179 miles per hour and furnishes a uniform blast pattern across its entire 16-inch wide path. Add its 2,600 CFM dust collection system, and the result is a dust-free operation. Where major concrete removal and profiling are needed to prepare the surface for concrete overlay, the SCB-1600 averaged 2,500 square feet per hour, all dust-free. Removing old epoxy sealer from this 4,000 square feet of bridge deck took the SCB-1600 only 50 minutes. The entire bridge deck was profiled and cleaned so that no additional surface preparation was required before the new epoxy overlay was installed. Changing from the Shotblast head to the Scarifier head is a simple operation that takes less than 30 minutes. It involves disconnecting the vacuum hose, popping 2 air lines, disconnecting the belt tension arm, removing the drive belt, and then disengaging the Shotblast head. After replacing the drive sprocket for the blast head with a different drive sprocket for the Scarifier, the Scarifier head and the drive belt, belt tension arm, air lines, and vacuum hose are reconnected. The entire interchange of work heads can be done at the job site and takes less than 30 minutes. The Scarifier head on the SCB-1600, with its 8 shafts of carbon steel teeth, or a total of 320 teeth, provides efficient removal of built-up coatings. Its brute force, maneuverability, and clear visibility of the work area all are unique advantages in scarifying work and are shown here in this removal of thin-set concrete. Other Scarifier opportunities might require carbide cutters instead of steel cutter teeth. To exchange cages involves 5 bolts and can be easily accomplished in minutes. Here, the carbide bundle in the SCB-1600 Scarifying Head is rapidly breaking off this urethane coating. Again, the unique features of the SCB-1600 Scarifying system, the precise adjustment of the cutter depth, the speed, raw power, maneuverability, and clear visibility of the front and back of the work surface add a new dimension of control and efficiency to scarifying. More aggressive removal was achieved in this warehouse, where 12,000 square feet of hard concrete containing emery flake was profiled in preparation for a new concrete cap. It took 2 passes with the 16-inch wide Scarifier head and 24 hours to complete the scarifying. The powerful 2,600 cubic feet per minute dust collector system removed and contained virtually all of the debris, thus lowering the expense of the final cleanup. Operating statistics for the SCB-1600 are phenomenal. Its power plant features an 86 horsepower diesel engine, a hydrostat drive, an optional catalytic converter that tests remarkably lower in acceptable emissions than equivalent gasoline or propane engines, and a fuel consumption of only 3 gallons per hour. Its 16-inch wide blast pattern can shot blast between 2,000 and 4,000 square feet per hour, using less than 50 pounds of steel shot per 4,000 square feet. Its blade life averages 60 hours on the rotary blast drum, while its liner life is more than 500 hours. Changing to the scarifying head takes less than 30 minutes. The SCB-1600 can scarify between 500 and 1,500 square feet per hour. Powerful, with its 86 horsepower diesel engine and 2,600 cubic feet per minute dust collector. Reliable, with the latest technology in hydraulics, pulsating systems, and heavy-duty wear components. Versatile, with its interchangeable shot blasting and scarifying heads. Serviceable, with easy access to the working areas for routine maintenance. Comfortable, with its user-friendly power steering, one-hand joystick control, and full visibility in front and behind the surface preparation head. And economical, with the lowest operating cost per square foot of any surface preparation machine. The SCB-1600 by BW Manufacturing, the contractor's dream machine for concrete surface preparation that's available today. For additional information, contact BW Manufacturing at 616-447-9076. Fax to 616-447-9078. Or visit our website, www.bwmanufacturing.com.